The LG V20 is here, and today in the video at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. What a name for a phone, man. So apparently the Note 20 Ultra is available for pre-order at Note20. So this video will be released when the phone goes live on Note20 for the purchase. So yeah. So I'm recording this video and the Note 20 will come for pre-orders at Note20. She's available on the same line. So yeah. So that's the phone there. Very nice little phone. You have your S Pen, whole point 3 facing camera, 3 cameras in the back, power and RAM kit will be on the right side of the phone. So yeah, nice little phone, nice little wallpaper. So the Note 20 Ultra 5G, this is like the plus version of whatever. Yeah, this has CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE 5G, 12 GB of RAM, 128 or 128 or 512 GB of storage. So you do have an option of 128 gigs or 512 gigs. Your dimensions are 6.49 inches height, 3.4 inches width, 0.32 inches depth. Usage time 28 hours, 6.9 inch dynamic AMOLED 2 times capacitive touchscreen, a triple 1.8 megapixel f1.8 aperture camera there. So the main sensor is 1.8 megapixels. Sensor introducing the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. This isn't the time to slow down. This is the time to forge ahead and take the opportunities that come your way. You don't need a smartphone, you need a power phone. One as beautiful as it is intelligent with the S Pen, that is mightier, a battery that doesn't leave you hanging and is as well connected as you. Canvas takes power to the next level with cutting-edge technology, letting you master whatever you choose to do next. So like I said, this video is being recorded while the Note 20 Ultra is available for pre-orders at Note20. So this video will be live when this one is available to be purchased. So the Note 20 Ultra 5G is $1299 for the 128 GB version. I'm not sure how much the 512 GB version will be. Probably $14.99, I don't know. So yeah. So like I said, the dimensions of the Note 20 Ultra is 6.49 inches height, 3.4 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. The Note 20 Ultra is 214.6 grams, 4500 mAh battery, 28 hours of talk time, 10 minutes of standby time. Your band and Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi 8.11, ABGN and AC and Wi-Fi 6. Dual band, Wi-Fi direct hotspot. So pretty nice. So what you guys get in the box is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G S Pen charger, branding activation card, services guide, and quick start guide. And of course, unlike all straight talk phones, a service phone card is required for activation, plunge and not returnable or refundable. Service phone card is required for activation. I do not know why they have to do it twice, but whatever. So S Pen and Samsung Notes, service phones of phones that you're using a real pen to jot notes and sketch ideas. Then save across your Galaxy devices while on the go. Intelligent battery and super fast charge. Intelligent battery that learns intelligent power that learns from how you work and play to optimize battery life, plus super fast charging boosts your battery in just minutes. Hyperfast process speeds to transform your gaming, binging, and multitasking with less interruption. Dynamic AMOLED 2x C2. Maximize your gaming and binge watching experience. Rotary best mobile display. Yeah, it's smooth motion, forward scrolling, and low blue light emissions, and the 6.9 is infinity air display. Pro grade video, canvas shots, canvas shoots, pro quality 8K video, and lets you change the frame rate, putting you in complete creative control. So, yeah, they got said the Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra 5G is not available for pre-order as of this video recording. It's available for pre-orders, but when this video is live on YouTube, it should be available for you guys to purchase if you're interested. So the Note20 Ultra is available on two storage options: a straight talk 128 gigs or 512 gigs. The 128 gigs is $12.99. And I think the 512 gigabyte version is like $14.99, I think. So I'm not sure about the 512 gigabyte version price. I'm not sure. So I will have that. I'll try to put that in the description somewhere. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra 5G currently for pre-orders. Currently available for pre-orders as of this video recording, but when this video is live on YouTube, it will be available for you to purchase. So yeah, you guys have the Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra 5G. What a name for a phone, right? Put in nice looking phone, great specs, nice looking phone. So yeah, so there it is. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.